Everyone talks about token usage and hitting limits, but for AI agents, the problem often starts before the actual task begins. Raw snapshots often include navigation, metadata, and repeated elements that are not relevant for reasoning. Opera Browser CLI reduces this token-heavy browser context with its compact snapshot feature. In this video, we compare a raw browser snapshot with Opera CLI Compact and show how the same page can result in very different context representations. First, let's open a web page through the Opera Browser CLI. For that, I run Opera Browser CLI opennotion.com/pricing in the terminal. This opens the page directly inside Opera Neon. We're using a context-heavy page on purpose, since more content typically means more browser context ends up in the session. Next, I generate a snapshot and type Opera Browser CLI snapshot. This produces a structured text representation of the page used by an agent. At this point, we have the raw browser snapshot. Now, let's compare both outputs in Visual Studio Code. On the left is the raw snapshot. On the right is Opera CLI Compact. Both represent the same page, but the difference is immediately visible. The raw snapshot includes navigation, layout elements, repeated links and metadata, and a full structural representation of the page. Opera CLI Compact removes this browser noise and keeps only what is relevant for the agent. The result is a cleaner and more compact representation with simplified structure and rewritten references. The key difference is not the page itself, but the amount of irrelevant context included. In benchmarks from the GitHub repository, Opera Browser CLI reduces snapshot size and token usage by up to 80% compared to a raw browser snapshot. But actual savings depend on the page and workflow. Instead of wasting context budget on browser noise, the agent gets a clearer representation of the same page. This means fewer wasted tokens, more efficient context usage, and more room for the actual task. If you want more information about the Opera Browser CLI, make sure to find the GitHub repository in the description.